Do you ever wish that you could control the order of the images that you place in Adobe InDesign? Or maybe you just work around that and place them all on the side of your artboard so you can reorder them later. Well, today I'm here to tell you that there's an easier way and show you how to sort through your placed images as you're placing them, not after. Here we have our sample layout with a simple photo grid all set up, and we want to place our images in these boxes. To do that, we can just go up to File, Place, or I always prefer to use the shortcut Control-D or Command-D on a Mac. Now clicking that brings up our File Explorer, where we can navigate to whichever folder our images are saved in. Next, just drag over all of these photos and then you can click Open. Now you'll see our cursor has changed to show the preview of the photo that we're placing. So if we click in this first box, it places our first photo. And now our cursor automatically moves to the next photo that would be placed. But let's say we don't actually want to go in that order. What if we wanted to look through our photos and choose which one we're going to place next? To do that, all we need are the up and down arrow keys on our keyboard. So for example, if I click on the up arrow key, I can scroll through these photos until I find the one I want. So let's say I want to place this nice purple landscape photo up here on the top right. Yeah, I think that looks good. Now let's look through our photos again. And I would say, yeah, let's go ahead and choose this beautiful boating photo. That looks like a nice place to be. So we can just place that here in the bottom left. And now we only have 2 photos left to place, but we only have 1 position left in the layout. So again, using the up and down arrow keys, we can scroll through and see which of these photos we like and which ones we don't. Yeah, I would say this photo of the bridge doesn't quite make the cut for me. It just doesn't seem to fit with all the other photos. So now that I've decided I don't want to use this photo anymore, I'm actually going to take it out of the rotation. To do that, all I have to do is hit the Escape key, and that removes the photo from our queue. It didn't delete our original photo or anything like that. We just decided we no longer want to place that photo, meaning we don't have to worry about grabbing the exact photos that we want. We can always edit which ones we do and don't want to place as we're doing it. And now, with our last image ready to go, we can just click on our final frame. And with that, all of our photos have been placed. And that's how you can quickly preview, sort, or remove photos as you're placing them in your document. And now that you've mastered sorting through your placed images, did you know that there's an easy way to alphabetically or numerically sort your paragraphs in Adobe InDesign? I have a video right here to show you how.